In this video, I will show you how to create a route in Garmin Connect. First, open the Garmin Connect app and log into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the More button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and select Training and Planning, then tap on Courses. This is where you can create a new course. To do that, tap the plus icon near Create Course. Now, choose the type of course you want to create. Options include cycling, running, hiking, and more. For this example, select Running. Next, you'll be asked how you want to create your course. You can either create it automatically or manually by drawing it on the map. If you're unsure, select Automatic. Then, give your course a name, for example, Course 1. Set your desired distance and starting direction. Garmin Connect will generate a route based on popular routes in your area. Choose your distance, such as 5 miles, and select a direction like north, south, or random. After setting this up, tap Next. Now, tap anywhere on the map to select your starting point. If no available routes appear, try adjusting your distance, for example, lowering it from 5 miles to 3 miles, and then select a different location. Once a route appears, you'll see the total distance, ascent, and descent. When you're done, click Save, and you can choose to make your route public or private. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.